Alright, I mean this shouldn't work. We've taken the LEGO Technic 991.1 Porsche GT3 RS model and we've scaled it up 1:1, and we're just going to 3D print it. There's going to be no redesigns, no reinforcement and no shortcut. Just going to print it, assemble it and see what breaks. So in stage 1, it's the Technic model just as it is. And then in stage 2, we're just going to get crazy and we're going to just do whatever. So as you can see now, we've got all the parts ready for the next build. And what we're going to be building next is this. So you might think the 991.1 GT3 RS rear wing is pretty simple with it not having active aero, yet it's still manually adjustable and it's same on the LEGO model. So thinking about that, should it work? Will it work? Well, anyway, we're going to find out. I mean, this rear spoiler system is going to be printed from 3D printed LEGO geometry, oversized bricks, and yeah, oversized Technic mechanism. And we just need to see whether it's going to hold, because then we're going to be one step closer to building a 1:1 scale LEGO geometry Porsche 991.1 GT3 RS. Look at that. So these pins have been a bit tight. Just a tiny bit of heat in it, it just opens out. It's like this shrinks. Like these are shrinking or these are not shrinking. $250 black pins for sale. Look at that. Oh, although we have the problems with the pins, look at that. That is huge. It's also massive, and huge, and massive. that up before I put that on, because, you know, of what we've just been looking at, I'm not be bothered taking them back out of it. So I managed to get some more pins and pop them in, but they're extremely tight. I'm going to have to get rid of all that 200 odd pins that I've got, because otherwise it's just a waste. I'm just going to keep breaking things, so hopefully these go on now without too much hassle. Moments of truth. So I need to start building in the build house. Ah, yes. Wow. Wow. Here we go. Look at that. It just shows you that it's pretty much going to be the same size, if not bigger, than the real GT3 RS. That is one massive wing. Now for the bottom. Just get a little tap. It's a bit looser at that side, but wow, look at that. Wow, bonkers. Oh. It's that big, it's knocking everything all over. Just look at that. And it weighs a lot as well. And it works. Could do with moving the tail across a bit. I'll print it somewhere where you can see the actual mechanisms work. One rear wing for the Porsche GT3 RS LEGO 1-to-1 version. I must say, these pins are probably going to need, these ones here, are probably going to need that bit of carbon in, because they are taking quite a bit of weight on that. Although it will hold it, it will stand up, but really it's not going to take much to break them. And I think that'll echo throughout the build. There's going to be things that we find that need that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that one.